what's going on? Getting back in another video. So today we're gonna be installing a new gauge cluster in the truck. I know I ain't posted in a while. Like I said, been waiting on parts and just kind of lost motivation for this. But got parts coming in, so I'm finally gonna get back recording. And I think in the next couple of videos, my guy we bringing this charger. We're gonna do stars. So I mean, it might be out of order. He might do a stars first for this video. So I don't know yet, but make sure you hit that like, comment, subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and we can get to the video. So today we're gonna be changing out the old gauge cluster for the new 7-inch screen one, just to make it look a little better in here. You know, we replaced the radio. We're gonna be replacing this too, putting a center console in here, try to make it look a little better in here because I did get the base model, so we will be ordering upper models. I want to change the interior, do different color interior, different dash, just doing wheels, wrap. We're gonna pretty much be done with the truck, so let me get my tools ready and then we'll get into the video. All right. Before you swap it out, make sure you get your miles and your idle time and drive time. So when you program it to the new screen, it'll be correct. Because once we plug that up, it's gonna be different from this. You gotta get a programmer, which I'll put the link in the description for you to order it. But my friend's on the way, he's gonna come do it. So once we get in, he's gonna come program it, then I'll show you how to rest after that.
Key off for 30 seconds.
We're gonna go odometer correction, and we're gonna say it's the premium 7-inch cluster, and then we're gonna enter the mileage. So we'll enter our appropriate mileage. Of course, helpful to take a picture like I did, so 49288. So we'll type that in. We're gonna hit start. Turn the key off for 30 seconds. And then turn the key off, wait for the startup checks to complete, and click OK. So I'm sure you guys can figure that out. Let's go over to the vehicle. So we're going to turn the key to off. We'll even take this out.
Count that for about 30 seconds.
13.
30 seconds. So once your 30 seconds is up, we're gonna go back over here. We're gonna hit OK.
Okay. That's gonna do its own little thing.
So over here it's saying started.
Yes,
Please wait.
sir.
And the dash is doing a boot sequence right here.
Turn off key and let the car set off, or turn off and let the car sleep for several minutes. Okay.
Change though.
Yeah, but that's one part of it done.
Yeah. Come at y'all with the next part. Alright, now again, hope y'all enjoyed that video. I know it's kind of all over the place. I recorded it so long ago and my camera tripped out on me. I got another video on my camera that it tripped out and now it's back working. So I'm gonna try to fix that video too and post it as well. But you see, you got the miles where it's supposed to be. It was at 1,556K and now we're at 87K where it's supposed to be at. So mission accomplished. Got the video out the way. So hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit like, comment, subscribe. And your boy checking out another video. Peace.